All right, now that we know what our options are, let's see how those options tell the data administration page function to do its magic. So let's open up the crud.php file. Again, that's going to be in our includes folder inside our site folder. And let's first look at the structure of this page and the names of the functions. So we have data list, which is responsible for listing the data in a table. We scroll down, we have our data add edit form, which takes care of displaying our add and edit forms. If we scroll down some more, we have our data add edit form validate. So our validate tools for those forms. If we scroll down, we have data add edit form process. Now this is processing the form once it's been submitted. If we scroll down, we have data delete, which takes care of deleting a record. And then we have data administration page. Now, if we compare this with our previous products and users.php files for the administration pages, this structure will look nearly identical except for this last part. What we've done here is basically encapsulated some of our script into a function, so it's easier to call at the time that we need it. And this function here is what we're seeing on the bottom of our products.php file and users.php file.